All right, we're looking at a 350 cubic inch small block Chevy engine here. It's a driver. It came out of a C10 pickup where they were gonna do a LS1 swap. So they took this motor out along with the 700 R4 here that I have, and basically I pulled them apart because they were still connected. I'm gonna put this engine on the motor mount, turn it over, and check some clearances inside the lower end. And once I do that, I'll do a compression check on it and see where we stand. If it needs to be rebuilt, it's supposed to be a running engine that came out while it was still running, and you know the story and how that goes. I've got my 56 Chevy frame here, got the suspension on it, and got a small block Chevy block in there, which is going to mock it up for the cross member that is coming this week, and we'll get that lined up, and then we'll end up measuring from the transmission to the, not this transmission, but the this is a 350 transmission, and that's a 700 R4. So we're gonna bolt this 700 to the block here, since this is the same size as that, so that I can get the distance from the U-joints to the end of the shaft on the transmission and order a drive shaft for the 56 Chevy Keep It Alive project. It's coming along. We got the body completely restored. Fenders, doors, hoods, trunk are ready to actually color sand or sand with 400, the step right before spraying on the color. So we've come a long way and we're making progress. This engine here will be a driver that we use temporarily while we're building the 400. Basically we're going to do not a 400 but a 383 with that block right there. We're going to get it milled and then get the parts and build a 383 stroker motor with that block there. So we got ourselves a commuting engine here if we want to commute, and a 4-speed transmission, and that'll go, this transmission will go in behind the 383 stroker once it's done, but in the meantime it'll ride behind this 350 if this engine is a running engine like the guy said it was. So got this engine ready to roll here, ready to get to testing, and we'll see if it is a running engine, and we'll go from there. Update this video and let you know. Might hook this up to my buddy's engine stand and start this thing up and run it for a while and do a video on that as well. On the next video, hopefully it'll be tested running and also installed on the 56 frame here. From there we'll put the body on and start building this car.